Electric vehicles are the flag bearers in this era of sustainable mobility, and if the EV in question is made by Mercedes-Maybach, it's bound to be a special one. This is the first production EV to bear the Maybach badge, and that should tell you a lot about it. Welcome to another exciting episode of Exotic Cars on DubiCars. Today we are at Mercedes-Benz EMC in Abu Dhabi to check out this Mercedes-Maybach EQS SUV. It's the first of its kind in the UAE, and that makes it super exclusive. Let's dig right in. Its styling is a masterclass in modern luxury, featuring an aerodynamic silhouette that decreases drag and increases efficiency. This obsidian black color is classy, and you can have it in 9 other single tone and 6 dual tone colors. The front fascia is dominated by this large black panel with the chrome strips that closely resemble a premium chrome grille. This is flanked by the signature EQS headlamps that are connected by this LED strip. This one's all over the details, as made evident by the Maybach logos in the elements that flank the actual air intake at the bottom. The 22-inch monoblock wheels elevate the vehicle's majestic presence. The silver outline on the windows, the chrome door handle element, and the sideboard further add to the styling. The rear end features a minimalistic design with the stylish LED tail lamps connected by this LED strip. The chrome element in the bumper further increases its premium appeal, and so does the Maybach badging. The Maybach EQS SUV's interior is crafted with the finest materials and includes exquisite leather that's sustainably processed, piano black panels, and more. It features an advanced MBUX hyperscreen that combines 3 large screens into one. You even get rose gold surrounds on the gauges for the digital instrument cluster. The second row is designed for those who demand the best. Passengers can enjoy massaging seats, their personal 11.6-inch entertainment screens, heated and cooled cup holders in here, wireless charging for a smartphone, and a tablet to control it all. In addition, you get the best and the most comfortable seats. The 15-speaker Burmester audio system delivers an exceptional experience with 4D surround sound. While both seats have the reclining feature, the right rear seat has a one-touch recline function. The front seat moves forward, the headrest goes down, the footrests move into place, and the rear seat reclines. That is so cool. Underneath its refined exterior, the Maybach EQS features an electric powertrain that's both powerful and efficient. It features a 107.88 kWh battery pack that powers 2 electric motors, one at the front and one at the rear, effectively giving it all-wheel drive. Together, the motors produce 649 horsepower and 950 Newton meters, which puts it straight into supercar or sports car territory. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.4 seconds and will go to a top speed of 210 km per hour. These performance figures become even more impressive when you consider the vehicle's 2,700 kg weight. This is an EV, so range and charging are of much importance. Mercedes-Maybach claims it has a range of around 600 km as per the WLTP standards. Yes, it does support DC fast charging of up to 200 kilowatts, which takes the battery from 10% to 80% in just 31 minutes. AC charging from a wall socket will take around 12 hours to get an empty battery fully charged. The ride quality is exemplary thanks to its adaptive air suspension system that adapts to every road surface as it drives along. It also gets a responsive steering system that includes rear wheel steering that makes it surprisingly agile for its size. The Mercedes-Maybach EQS SUV is a remarkable vehicle that sets new standards in the luxury electric SUV segment. It combines the timeless elegance and comfort that Maybach is known for with cutting-edge electric powertrain and sustainability. This is the first Maybach EQS SUV on sale in the UAE and is up for grabs at Mercedes EMC in Abu Dhabi. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to DubiCars for more automotive content. That's it from us for now. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Until then, drive safe and drive green.